If you are wondering how to use the edge panels or the sidebar on Galaxy Tab A11, then the answer is quite simple. In this case, when the edge panels option is enabled on the right side, at least by default, you should be able to find this little bar over here on the right side. Of course, we can customize the bar to make it bigger, to change its color, or move to the different side, to the opposite side of the screen. But generally speaking, we want to slide from that bar towards the middle of the screen in order to reveal it. And you should be able to find apps and also other stuff we can add over here. But generally speaking, if you don't have this option, you want to open settings, go to display, and then over here we can go to edge panels, of course, make sure that it is enabled. But if you open it, then we can go to panels in order to choose what should be available on these edge panels. But also if we go back to the handle, we can customize the panel, we can move it up and down a little bit, we can change its color, and let's actually make it less transparent so that it is more solid, and let's also increase the size, the width as well, so that it is actually much bigger. There we go, now we can definitely see it. And let's go back to panels, because in here, as you can see, we can add apps, people, tasks, and so on and so forth. But let's stick with apps in this example. We can tap on edit in here in order to choose which apps should be placed on that panel. And let's say I'm gonna add this app over here. I'm gonna remove the Notes app. I'm gonna include the, let's say, Instagram, and so on and so forth. Of course, you can keep adding apps over here. And once you are done, you should be able to just simply open the panel at any point you want to, even if you have apps open. We can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner to find some additional options. And yeah, and also if you open the panel over here, you should be able to find this icon with dots. This allows you to open the apps list or the app drawer. So at any point, if you have an app opened, you can just go to the edge panel and open the list of apps. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.